This is the batter for the oatmeal cookies. Really looks quite beautiful actually. The molasses really gives it that dark brown color. I'm excited for this recipe. I've never tried it before. It said to add nuts, but I don't have any, so we'll try it without. Alright, let's get them in the oven. They look kind of loose, but as they bake, they'll toughen up, obviously. So these smell absolutely fantastic. Fresh out of the oven. Gonna let them cool before I try them. Wow, so fragrant. The color is absolutely beautiful. I've never had a oatmeal cookie this shade before, so I'm very excited to try this out. Mashallah. I gotta say, these are quite amazing. I couldn't wait till they were fully cooled, obviously, but whew, you could melt some marshmallows on top of this. That would be quite nice. Even add in some white chocolate chips to it. I am not disappointed. The Amish, they really know how to make some good oatmeal cookies, let me tell you. Whew, that's so good. Be perfect with a nice cup of milk. Mashallah.